In this video, we're going to look at revising in the form 1 to n. Okay, so write the following ratios in the form 1 to n. Now, what we're going to do here is, they want 1 to be on the left-hand side, so I need to put that down there. Now, how do I get from 18 to 1? I divide it by 18. So I'm going to divide that by 18 also. Is 13.3 recurring. So it's as simple as that. Write them down in that form. 15 to 6, 1 on this side. That's divided by 15. So 6 divided by 15 will give me that answer. 0.4. And 1 is divided by 42. So I divide that by 42. Gives me 0.19. The journey for that. Okay, so sometimes as well, I should add that they may ask you for n to 1. And that instance, you just put 1 on that side and do the same thing in reverse. Okay, now let's see why this is used. Finn places 78 milliliters of juice in with 220 milliliters of water. Kim places 56 mils of juice in with 168 mils of water. Who has the strongest juice? What I'm going to do is I'm going to do juice and water. Should really say squash there. And they're mixed together. So I've got 78 and I've got 220. What I'll do is I'll write this juice, 1 part juice. That's divided by 78, so I'm going to get my 220. And I divide that by 78, and gives me 2.82, which can be enough. Now over here, for Kim, I have 56 juice to 168 water, so I'm going to go 1. It's divided by 56. It's 3 exactly. So who has the strongest juice? Well, 1 part juice has that much water, and 1 part juice has that much water, but the strongest would be the one with the least amount of water in it. So Finn okay, so that's why I would use this idea, would be to compare 2 different items. Let's look at another example. School A, the teacher-student ratio is 48 teachers to 649 students. In School B, teacher-student ratio is 108 teachers to 1,628 students. Compare the teacher-student ratios in both schools. So I'll do School A. So I have teacher to student, 48 to 649. I'm going to look at that from 649 divided by 48. 13.52. So for every teacher, there's 13.52 students. Let's look at School B. So I've got teacher to students, 108 to 1628. So once I've got them 1 and 1, I can then compare. So 1628 divided by 108, 15.07. Well, School A. So student A has the better ratio as it has less students to each member of staff. Okay, here's some questions. You're going to have a go. Press pause. The answers will appear in a moment. And there I am.